Hello, future novelists. This is a orientation video for folks who are interested in participating in NaNoWriMo, National Novel Writing Month, which is November. What is it? Well, basically it's writing a novel in a month. And if you want to learn more, you can attend one of our NaNoWriMo Q&A sessions either this Thursday, October 14th, or next Thursday, October 21st at 6 p.m. It'll be via Teams, and the link is in the PowerPoint. You may have some questions. First of all, how many words do you have to write? Well, it's really up to you. Most participants are aiming for 20,000 words. Do you have to share your work? Unless you have an agreement with your language arts teacher, you do not need to show anyone your work. What if you fail? What if, more like when if? This is a Leviathan task that no reasonable person would attempt. You will likely fail. That said, there is tremendous self-learning to be found in failing at something big rather than succeeding at something small. To register, you can go to ywp.nanowrimo.org. That's NaNoWriMo, and sign up. Our class code is CFBHFOJP. Again, that's CFBHFOJP. Are there any drop-in silent writing sessions after school? Absolutely. Every Monday and Thursday, I will have my classroom open. I'm in L210 from 3:45 to 5 for silent writing time. Finally, if you're interested, my students have put together a NaYesWriMo video for trying to convince you to participate in NaNoWriMo, and another group of students have put together a NaNoWriMo, convincing you, hopefully, not to participate. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, Ms. Russell, author and teacher extraordinaire at rerussell@seattleschools.org. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.